Today I've got a new listing, which is a Solvay 35, 1971, and she's really in lovely condition when you consider the age of the boat. And the current owner sailed her mainly in the Solent, North Sea and Holland, and you can see by the bags in here that it's all very laid out so that the owner can actually manufacture a decent crossing without having to get everything out the hold. And this is the fore cabin, and it has a bunk and storage, open wardrobe, and obviously escape hatch above. Swinging round to port, we've got this delightful wood carved ribbing, and under we have a saloon seat, as we're now in the saloon area. Once again looking at the fore cabin again, and now swinging round to the starboard side, the same sort of layout. Saloon table, and then we move back into what can be called the galley area, where there's various bits of storage for food, electrics, 240 volt, and a piece of history here with the Sailor SP radio. A lovely piece of equipment and very functional when at sea. With safety equipment, and then we swing round a little bit past the stairs up to the wheelhouse, and we come to the galley area. Stainless steel sink, storage for the galley obviously, and down to the cooker. The cooker is an interesting one. It has two gas burners, one large, one medium, and then over here we have a hot plate, which the owner tells me he often uses to cook on, so obviously it's more than adequate. First one I've come across, to be honest with you. And moving down underneath we have the cooker, a grill area, lots of controls, and an oven under. Just to the left of that we have a fridge, and the owner has obviously stays on the boat quite often from where it is at the moment. So functional fridge, and then we go to steps up, but before I do that we'll just swing round again so that you can get some idea of the space in this saloon. Obviously a view of the headlinings as well, which is basically timber. Okay, so now we go up into the wheelhouse area, and to starboard we have a seating area, plenty of light up here, you can see all round. Companionway to starboard, plenty of windows, lots of fresh air, and again room storage, and round to the port side companionway, and obviously to the port side again the helm with a DFC radio, a really nice wheel, simple gauges but functional again, compass, a seafarer sounder, and once again I do like these old boys, they work forever, very accurate. And here we have a few back down into the galley and saloon area and looking forward. A very concise and clear electric panel, and alongside the DFC radio there's also some more another electric panel, and switching for bilge pump. Moving around again down into the aft cabin, and single small bed to starboard, starboard, and around to port where is the double. Again, plenty of light coming into the cabin here. Hatch above, more windows and headlining. Also to port, we now go to the heads area. Again, clean, tidy, mainly functional obviously. There is a diversion switch on the pump out system, so obviously when at sea you can pump directly out, but the boat does have a holding tank for inland waterways. And there we have it. A really nice Sol Bay 35. If you want to know any more about this boat, then please go to www.boatshedsuffolk.com, and many thanks for watching.